Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. Les Seraphim with a song called Crazy. And is it just me or is the vibes in the booth really, really that crazy? I know I might be gassing this up too much, but I've got some of the boys from Alamat here in the Magic booth. Please introduce yourselves. Starting with you, sir. What is your name?
Magandang araw, ako si Mo.
Yeah, what's up? Ako nga pala si Alas.
Hello guys, what's up? Ako nga pala si Alamat Taneo.
Yes, hello and welcome to the Magic booth. And for the longtime Magic listeners here, nope, this is not Mo Twister. This is Mo of Alamat.
Yeah.
Mo Twister is our DJ who's running the morning show every 6 to 9 a.m. And he's a really funny guy. Baka mag-get along kayo. But yeah,
Okay.
how are you guys? You guys are wearing shades in a very gloomy Thursday day. How is it? Like, may pinagdadaanan ba kayo or something? Valentine's is coming,
Wala
huh?
naman.
Wala pa naman.
Puyat lang, puyat.
Puya. Oh, no, I get it. From all the shooting, I presume, ganyan. Sipag.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, welcome to the Magic Hangout. For those who want to tune in, we are live on Facebook Live. You guys will see these three gentlemen. And we are also live on twitch.tv/magic899tv. So, if you have any greets or some questions you want to ask the boys, kindly send them over on our Viber. The number is 0945-971-4011. Okay? Let's do this. I will ask you guys a few questions and wala lang, para lang makilala ko kayo. And I'm a person who loves his food right outside. Ang daming pagkain. Gusto ko nang kainin pero nahihiya lang ako. So I don't know if they're hearing me. Nagpaparinig lang ako para bigla silang, ay, ito na yung food mo. So, ganyan. What I want to know, you guys, is ano ang comfort food ninyo after a gig, after a concert, after a dance practice, shooting series, etc. You name it. I want to know, what is your go-to food? Let's start with you.
Ako chocolate guy talaga ako eh. Pero yun nga, pag uwi ko, comfort food ko, hinahalo ko yung coco, parang chocolate siya.
Sa gatas o tubig?
Hindi. Sa coconut water. Parang cocoa powder. Tapos, wait, teka lang. May recipe to. May recipe to. Tapos papaya, tapos banana, tapos strawberries. Yan, sarap niya. Tapos stevia para matamis.
Is there a certain thing called for this or gawa mo lang talaga to?
Gawa ko lang to. Actually, kasi sobrang addicted ako sa chocolate. Pero yung nangyari, hindi naman. Medyo too much yung addiction ko sa
Yeah,
chocolate.
it's too much sugar.
Yeah. So yung ginawa ko, gumawa ko ng paraan para makuha ko pa rin yung yung
The energy and then the nutrients of all these things. Papaya, sabi mo papaya eh.
parang it replicates like a chocolate pero healthy siya.
No, I believe you. You look healthier than me though. Kasi if I were to eat chocolate, I'd be just like, munching every chocolate thing I see.
I do that
But that
too.
is bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Sige, I'll get the recipe. Try ko rin yung pagluluto. Sige, ikaw Alas.
Oh, grabe naman yung recipe niya. Nakakaano naman. Pero ako talaga, wala naman akong sa food talaga kahit anong ihain dyan. Pero palagi ko nakakain lumpia talaga. Alam ni Taneo yan.
Ay,
Lumpiang
lumpia lover yan.
toge
Kahit
or
ano.
Kahit
lumpiang
anong lumpia. Oo. Kasi pag after rehearsal, kakain kami. Tapos pag may lumpia yung food
Sabi
namin.
na, Taneo, kainin mo yan.
Yung lumpia mo.
Oo. Yun.
Uy, iba na yun. Okay, lumpia, chocolate, a lot of things. Kayo nagsabi niyan eh. Narinig ko lang eh. Sige. Mo, ikaw, what is your favorite comfort food, go-to food?
Yeah, ako naman after magpagod ang trip ko talaga mga sabaw.
Parang sinigang.
Masabaw, yan. Exactly,
bulalo.
Sinigang
Sinigang
talaga comfort food ko. Lalo na pagluto ng nanay ko. Yan, the best.
I've had like three guests here who have said sinigang din, pero specifically laging luto ng nanay nila. And I wanna know, anong meron sa nanay ninyo? Bakit specific yung luto ng nanay nyo? Like, kasi yung kinalakihan? Or
Siguro, kasi ewan ko pag...
may ibang asim yung nanay nyo? Gano'n. Ay, nanay nyo. Yung sinigang ng nanay nyo. May
Patay tayo dyan, Mo.
Sorry po sa nanay po ni Mo. Hindi po kayo yung sinigang po ninyo.
Hindi, feel ko lang kasi yun yung kinalakihan ko na lalo
Yeah.
na ang sinigang kasi niya lalo na pag salmon
Oh,
sinigang sa miso.
Oh, yeah.
So, the best yun para sa akin. Ang sarap niya isabaw sa kanin, ganun. So, ewan ko, baka may magic si mama ko ron. Ano bang magic mo dun?
Ano kaya yun? hindi po asim. Hindi yun yung magic yan. But thank you. Okay, grabe, natatakam ako. You guys, not only are you guys members of your P-pop group Alamat, you guys have been venturing out, diba? You've been starring na in some series of Viva One. And I tried tying things together. You are from My Husband is a Mafia Boss, Hell You, and then Ang Mutya na Section E. So I was like, ano kayang merong same? And tanong ko is school related. Are you guys the type to be part of the academics club, mga straight A students, or part ba kayo ng extracurricular activities club like varsity, dance club, school journalism, ganyan?
Ay, go na ba?
Sige, go. Ikaw na.
Nung nasa school ako, I did kind of both. For sports, I did basketball. And then
Damn.
for academics, I did debate clubs.
Really?
Yeah, and I did
Oh.
journalism as well. And
Jack of all trades ka pala.
not really, I was just exploring. I did like aviation as well. So parang, it's like, I was just exploring like a bunch of stuff. Pero yun, yung mga ganun. And then like, after school din, pag may mga flag football or I just joined, like whatever.
Grabe, you are a natural for a lot of things. Okay. Wow, grabe. Paano nyo papantayin yung dami niyang ano? How about you, Alas?
Ako naman, di ako magaling talaga sa lahat. Siguro masabi ko 50-50 yung ginagawa ko lagi dati. Kasi parang
You keep it balanced
okay
na.
naman sa academics, tapos sports, may din kasi talaga sa sports. And nung nag-aaral
Basketball rin or like?
Ay, hindi. Puro martial arts ako eh.
Which one? Taekwondo?
Tapos
Oh, okay.
nag-ano rin ako, sipak takraw. Yung pinakamatagal.
Oh, yeah. Okay, singit ko lang to. A lot of people kasi feel na Philippines pa rin number one sport is basketball. Pero do you agree with me na sepak takraw is where we are really the best at?
Selling.
Siguro. Hindi ko alam eh.
Oh, okay, sayang. Kasi wala lang. Like,
Kasi pag basketball kasi, kahit saan mo siya makikita eh.
tama.
So yun
Tapos
yung
madaming
parang
courts.
gusto natin, yung i-wish natin na kahit saan din yung may ibang sports natin. dito. Arnis, di ba?
Yeah, exactly. Artist, kahit wala ka nung hawak, di ba? Basta may panghampas ka lang eh. Gawin sana, di ba?
Actually, marami arnis dito kahit sa mga
Oo, ito kasi.
Hampasin ka bigla.
Okay, ikaw mo, ano naman sa'yo?
Ako ano din, parang 50-50 din. Parang balance lang. Kasi nung nag-aaral ako, parang hindi ko masyado naseryoso yung ACADS. Pero sabi nung prof ko nun, pag nagseryoso ka, kaya mo eh. Pero
Buti pa siya, believe eh.
pero more on ako talaga extracurricular, parang musical play, basta arts, ganun.
Yeah, performing talaga.
Performing talaga ever since. And ano din, sports din, basketball, pero hindi ako nakuha sa varsity eh. Pero basketball pa rin ako after nun. Tapos takraw din. Nagtakraw din ako.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yung coach namin nun, nag-represent ng Philippines ata. Yung coach ko.
Sa C or sa
Yeah,
like
parang ganun.
okay, national competition talaga.
national competition.
Wow, okay. And maybe some of you guys over listening here might have noticed, and if you guys do know, na members of Alamat all hail from different parts of the Philippines. So I have this question, and it's a nod towards your song, Luz Biminda. If you were to stay for 1 year, one whole year, 365 days, where would you go? Any place basta within these islands, Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao? Let's start with you, Mo.
Sige, ako since buong buhay ko andito ako sa Luzon, gusto ko Visayas.
Oh, saan specifically sa Visayas?
Cebu?
Cebu.
Or Cebu. Basta, gusto ko kasi islands, ganun. Gusto ko ma-experience yung
The
buhay.
beach life, ganyan.
Oo, ganun. Well, lumaki din naman ako sa Zambales. Ano yun eh, puro dagat
Yeah.
din. So, gusto ko naman ma-experience yung sa Visayas, kung paano yung buhay doon, ganun. Kung
Dagat
paano yung
ng
everyday
Visayas.
life, ganun.
Okay. How about you, Taneo?
Oh, nag-skip.
Paisip pa siya eh.
Ako siguro kasi pinaka-least na na-explore ko Mindanao eh. So, parang Mindanao yung gusto kong i-explore. Kasi ang dami rin, sobrang lawak ng range in terms of like parang the geography. May
Yeah, may-
mountains.
And then may seaside. Yeah.
Parang 20 minutes away lang. Tapos cities, mga ganun. At saka, ang lawak ng Mindanao eh. Pati culturally. Very
Yeah,
diverse rin.
very much. Are you more of a beach guy or from mountain guy?
Yun nga parang I like both. May moods for both. Parang gano'n.
Okay, gets. sa Davao, there's an island there called Samal Island. Yeah, ang ganda doon ng mga resorts
I
doon.
see.
And then for mountains, doon kasi nakatira yung ate ko, Bukidnon. Yeah, ang galing ah. Scripted ba to? Okay, ang galing. Okay, wala lang. Suggestions lang siya. But I'm sure that there's more to
Yeah.
it. Bahay ni Manny Pacquiao, and then so, Jensen tayo. Ganyan. Okay, Alas, how about you?
Ito kita Neo. Ba't nasagot mo yung Bukidnon? Taga Mindanao ka pala.
Hindi,
Daya ako yung taga Davao eh.
Hindi kasi yun nga in-explore ko na yung mga geography ng Mindanao.
Oh, yeah.
Nakita ko yung Samal, nakita ko yung Bukidnon. Ay,
Galing
ganda
ah.
Talaga.
So ako naman, ako, medyo nalibot ko na Mindanao, nalibot ko na talaga siya. Kasi taga doon ako eh. Yung Visayas, medyo. Ngayon naman, yung Luzon, hindi pa gaano. Pero ang gusto ko puntahan sa Luzon, yung pinakatuktok.
Norte.
Oo, yung tipong wala ka ng signal
Sa
talaga.
Batanes.
Kasi lagi ako nanonood ng mga documentary kasi yung mga pinaka-last na island daw sa
Yeah, that's right.
Yun.
And yung bahay nila gawa pa sa bato talaga.
Oo, yung mga ganun.
Mm.
Yun yung gusto kong puntahan.
Okay, very adventurous kayo ah. Like, gusto nyo malayo sa city, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Kasi boring daw dito. Okay. Okay, enough with that. Let's do with what ifs. And I asked you guys earlier to prepare for this. What if you had a chance to be reborn as anything? Pusa, ipis, anak ng contractor, presidente ng isang bansa, kung ano man, what would you like to be reborn as? Let's start with Alas. Ako, Bars.
Ako siguro ano na lang, pusa na lang.
Pusang gala o no?
Pusang gala. Pwede
Inaalagaan.
na pusang gala.
Adventurous.
Oo, adventurous ka
Pero
eh.
sabi nila pag pusang gala, 'di ba, medyo mababa lang yung life, 'di ba? Compare sa mga
Really? I thought all cats
Oo.
had 9 lives.
kasi may pusa ako so lagi ako nagre-research ng 9 lives sila
okay,
pero
gets.
more on matagal yung pusa na yung tawag na sa bahay.
Oh, gets. Mas
Kasi mas prone kasi sa danger yung
diseases and other
Oo,
things.
yun.
Okay. Wow, caring ka talaga sa pusa.
Yes.
Would you like to be reborn as your cat or hindi na?
Ay, wag, masungit yung pusa ko.
Okay. Sige, Taneo.
Ako siguro, ibon. Para makalipad anywhere.
Uy, napapagod din ng ibon. Nagpapahinga yan. Sabi ko sana, gusto mo lumipad, ayaw mo ma-reborn kas airplane na lang, ganun. Pero malabo.
Kaso pwede din naman. Kaso
Kaso may fuel.
yeah.
Wow. Ang daming kaso. Sige, Mo.
Ako pwede tao po, no?
Pwede kahit ka-artista kung gusto nyo eh.
Gusto ko si Boss Vic. Boss Vic Del Rosario. Hindi, gusto ko yung knowledge. Yung gusto ko yung iba kasing knowledge niya pagdating sa business eh.
Yeah.
Matalino talaga.
There's so many businesses that he has, no?
Sobrang strategic. So, ayun. Boss Vic, hello.
Tapos kung ikaw, kung sakali ikaw si Boss Big ngayon, anong gagawin mo para sa inyong tatlo?
Ano po?
Ay, papromote na.
Papromote po ako. Tapos,
Tatasan nyo na ako na.
tapos mag-i-invest ako sa amin tatlo. Buong alamat pala.
Sabi ko paano yung, what about the other 3? Akala ko kayong tatlo lang eh. Anyways, that was fun. Okay. Sige, Boss Vic and then Pusa and then mamaya mahanapan natin yun ng paraan. But for now, we'll take a quick break. Don't go anywhere because we are still here on today's Best Music. We're Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. It is now 4:20. This time check is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. And hype in with a song called Knife. And we are keeping things sharp. This is still the Magic Hangout with me, JJ, and Mo Alas and Taneo of Alamat. Let's start things off with the magic word. A lot of people look forward to this because they wanna know if you guys will fail the challenge. Basically, it is one forbidden word that you cannot say after I say it. And when you do say that, we'll think of a dare for you to do. So it could either be a phone call or since it is a Valentine season, mag-pick up line kayo. Ganon. Ganyan. So, the magic word for today is ano.
Ano?
Oy, wait lang. Okay, as of now, now, you can't say the word ano. Okay? And to keep things, fair, as always, like before, kasi pinilit ako nila Ashling before, kasama na rin ako dyan. So I cannot say that word. Okay? Ayun lang. I got a question over on Viber from Kriza. And ang sabi niya, hello po, question po for Alamat. Ano ang ginagawa nyo after a long, tiring day since these past few days, sunod-sunod ang ganaps nyo, kaya pala kayo puyat. Ayun, ano dong ginagawa nyo lang? Bakit?
Isa rin.
Kasi nasa tanong niya yun eh.
Ano siya?
Nasa tanong niya eh. Ano magagawa ko?
Ano yung nagtanong?
Paano mo? Oo, yun nagtanong, Chris. Ikaw magdede. Ikaw magdede. Magagawa ko. Hindi counted pag tanong ng fans. So, blank ginagawa nyo daw after a long tiring day. Fine. No? So, what do you do daw after a long tiring day? Kayo
Magpapahinga talaga ako. Limit lang yung masasagot eh.
Ano ba naman yan? Ay! Umaya na kasi. Ba't ko ba ito ginawa sa sarili ko? Anyways, so, nagpapahinga ka. And you?
Nagpapahinga ng malala.
Nang malala. May lalala pa pala yun. And you?
Ako, pahinga talaga. At kain. At maraming inom ng tubig. Mga ganun.
Wow, healthy. Okay.
Kape-kape. Massage din. Munti ka na yun.
Okay, massage.
Yeah.
Those look fun. So, Chris, hopefully, nasagot yung katanungan mo about blank ang ginagawa nila after a long, tiring day. Oh my gosh. Ako yung nadali agad. Wala pang 1 minute yun ah. Let's talk about your group this time. Since debuting in 2021, it's been like, 5 years? Most of it has been with the pandemic. I want to know, how has the journey been so far? Let's start with Mo.
Yung journey, hindi siya madali. Pero habang tumatagal, mas natimpla namin yung isa't isa. And ngayon kasi parang sobrang intact kami and
Yeah.
gets namin yung isa't isa. And since ang daming ang nangyari, ang daming nagdaan. Wow, ang daming nagdaan.
Grabe.
Nagbabad tayo. Nakasmile.
Tinitigan niya ako nakatingin. Sabi ko, ano ba naman yan? Ayun, di ba nasabi ko na naman eh. Wala na, counted na yung una.
Patay.
Siguro pwede ko na spam. Oh yeah, ang dami kong pinagdaanan.
Yeah. At marami din kaming natutunan sa mga nagdaan na taon. At hindi lang rin sa pagiging normal na tao sa araw-araw. Sa pagiging artist na din, gano'n.
Yeah.
And nagalangan ako sa gano'n eh, gano'n. Ano din, ay! Wala na!
Halo.
Hindi magsasalita itong dalawa.
Zero.
Tuloy.
Pwede na spam.
Oo, pwede mo na spam. Sige na.
Ano din, madaming
Malaya ka na, di ba?
Madami rin nagbago.
Yeah. Throughout those 5 years.
Yeah, masasabi ko marami nagbago in a better way. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you, Alas?
Sabi nga ni Mo, marami nagbago sa mga namin.
Dynamics and...
Oo, kasi matagal din kasi talaga kami nagkasama and malaking tulong din yung mga coaches namin, choreographer namin, voice coach namin. And yung mga nakakasama rin namin like RM, ganun, handler. So, malaking tulong yun and kami rin, bawat isa, like, nagkakaintindihan kami. Siyempre, hindi maiwasan yung mga pagtatalo, ganun.
Differences in opinions, tampuhan.
Oo.
Meron din.
Meron yun, meron. Hirap naman sumagot dito kasi ano.
Ang hirap nga.
3-0.
Sabi na!
Ang hirap nga.
Hirap nga! Tanayo na lang.
Ba't ko pa pinili ito? Malaya ka na rin.
Kaya na, ikaw na lang, Tanayo. Kompletuhin mo na.
Actually, this whole journey, 5 years, we've learned a lot from each other, and not just from each other, because in this line of work,
Yeah.
you have to stay on your toes all the time. So parang
Ano?
Mag-i-English yan.
No, I get it. Like, you have to be, not at the
You
same
have to be
time,
on
grounded
yourself.
at the same time, on your
Yeah.
feet, like you're always alert, no? Ganyan.
yes, as opposed to like
Being lax,
yes.
and, chill lang, ganon.
so like every day, every week, every project, every job or event, it's like it's filled with unknown unknown like things na that,
Manalo na to,
that you don't really expect. Like a lot of unknown things that you don't really expect. So like you learn a lot. You learn things you don't know, if you get what I'm saying.
Yes, I
'Cause
I get it.
Yeah, you don't know what you don't know. So like it's nice to be exposed to like foreign things, and like the people you're surrounded with is very unique. They come from different backgrounds. Silang 5. And pati na rin our RMs, the people that we work with. So it's a very it's a journey. But at the same time, I can't really describe what it is because it's not over yet. We're still going through that journey.
Yeah, definitely. Ang galing, no? Akala ko titigil ka na kasi naghihintay lang kami sabihin mo yun. Ano eh. Word eh. But yeah, you've mentioned that you guys have been coming from different places, parts of the Philippines, right? Even with your RM, your handlers, and etc. I want to know like what has been the most challenging part though? Kasi all of you have been, syempre, you grew up with cultural differences at this point, right? And then I want to ask as well, like, was it during 2021 when you guys first met each other, or like was there a period before that as well na parang ay ito kilala ko na to, or something like that?
I would say yung si Tomas. I've watched him when I was I think yung season niya 15, 14 pa ako nun. I don't know.
Di ko din sure, pero
Di ko din sure.
malaga nun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Around that time, we watched him sa PBB.
Also, you've seen him in and you've mentioned alas na there's been like tampuhans and sagutans and other parts. Like, if I were to ask, like, last year, what was like the most challenging part that you guys went through as a group?
Challenge, ano ba? Ano?
Pwede na niya sabihin eh.
Pwede ko na
Last
sabihin
year,
yung...
I would probably say
Siguro yung album. Pasok album yung ginagawa namin yung Destino kasi parang advance kasi namin siya nasabi sa mga tao na lalabas kaming album. Pero ang sa isip namin wala pa talaga na umpisa. So yung mga tao naman expect nila baka yung 50% na meron. So yun dun din kami na pressure sa time talaga. And sa tulong naman ng isa't isa, nakagawa kami like naglocking talaga kami.
Yeah, it finally released, di ba?
At the same time, marami ring hadlang noon eh, yung injury namin ni Tomas sa boses.
Oh, yeah.
So parang, okay, make sure ko lang hindi ko nasabi. So parang medyo tricky rin yung last year, to be honest, for Alamat. So yeah.
Ano hindi mo nasabi? Pwede ka na namin sabihin. Nasabi na namin.
Ayaw nga yung word.
Ano ba?
Wala akong hindi ko sabihin.
Sayang. Mauuto ko na to eh. Okay, speaking of Destino, let's talk about your album. Yeah, what is the story behind it? Like, when you guys announced it first, I'm assuming na even if wala pa, you guys had a direction in mind. And right now, I want to ask, like, was that direction met, or were there like some sidetracks before going there, before reaching the destination, ganyan? Start with Mo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yung Destino, paano ba natin nabuo yung mga kanta dun? Paano ba natin siya sinimulan?
Parang us as artists, diba? We wanted to show.
Parang gusto namin i-show yung kakayanan namin, and din dun base din sa pangalan ng album na Destino. Syempre parang kaming Alamat, parang gusto namin i-show na yung patutunguhan namin ba, yung kung saan yung destino. And alam ko may ad pa sila dyan eh.
Sige, tanayo, ikaw na. Kasi may binubulong ka kanina eh.
Yeah, yun nga, going back to what Mo said, this album serves as parang, ito yung, I would say, hindi ko naman din disregard yung past journeys namin, pero I would say ito talaga, dito nagsisimula yung Alamat eh. In regards to like, dito namin napakita yung artistry namin. Ito pa lang yung surface level. Ayun, going forward from here, I think we're gonna go deeper into what we can do as Alamat. Yun.
Then talagang nag-brainstorm lang din kami.
Yeah.
Tulong talaga ng isa't isa. Hindi siya mabubuo kung 5 lang yung gumawa. So, malaking bagay yung parang nag-rent ng Airbnb, gano'n.
Tapos, literal lock-in. Pag
Yeah.
sabi lock-in, like, nagkulong talaga kayo.
Yeah.
Akala ko locked in focus lang eh. Nagkulong kayo together in wow, okay.
Yeah. So,
Few
para
people do
mabuo
that
yung
though.
mga songs.
Oo.
Yeah.
Walang outside interference, no noises from the outside. Talagang stick to the goal. What is it that we want?
Kasi feeling namin, pag hindi namin siya ginawa, parang mandi-distract kami sa mga ibang band.
Yeah.
So, ayun, nilagay talaga namin sa schedule namin na sama-sama kami. So, sa isang, Airbnb na yun.
And how long was the stay? Like,
2 days. So,
okay, 2 days. 2 days. No, that's...
pero bago
sulit
kami
pa rin
pumunta doon, na kami, like, nagsari-sarili. Anong gagawin para pagdating doon,
prepared na, yeah. Okay, well, that's nice. Okay, I want to know more about the music that you guys are putting out, but we have to take a quick break. And for those who are on Vibers who are asking their questions, I want to plug the Viber number as well. It's 0945-475-4... Ay, mali na naman ako eh. 0945-971-4011. And we have a giveaway later, 5 shirts from the merch of Alamat. So stay tuned for my game as well later. It is simple, it is easy. Okay, don't go anywhere. We are today's Best Music Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. Have you seen the new movie of SpongeBob? It's featuring the song I Spice Big Guy. I've not seen
Magic 89.9.
the movie. Nagkamali ako, di ba? Hello, welcome. This is today's Best Music Magic 89.9 and we are here live on the Magic Booth with the Alamat Boys. How are you guys?
Hey.
Good.
Gulat kayo wala yung bed, no? Wait lang. Ito na yung tanong ko. Basically, I want to know you guys' behind the scenes stories. Kasi we've talked about yung behind the scenes nyo as Alamat, like the P-pop group, right? But I want to know, like, all of you, I'm assuming nag-shoot na kayo for My Husband, right? Or,
Yeah, nag-start na sila pero ako
wala ka pa. Ay, pomo ka ngayon. I wanna know yung behind the scenes stories, like, ano yung funniest takes ninyo or moments during shooting na you remember, it's like, oh my God, this certain thing happened and I was laughing my ass out of it. Let's start with you, Alas.
ako kasi matagal na rin ako nagsushoot pero wala pa akong nalalabas na So, di ko alam kung paano ko siya sabihin na
Nang
Kasi-
walang spinospoil.
Oo, kasi may spoil kasi siya lahat eh.
So it's a crucial moment.
Pero may moment ako doon na sobrang hiya ako kasi marami kami. Tapos, mga ganun. Basta, nahiya ako kasi, syempre, lahat ng cast kasi nung time na yon nandun lahat. Tapos, pinapunta ako sa stage. Tapos, may eksena ako doon na sobrang hiya ako. Tapos, nandun si Jao na tumatawa siya sa akin. Kasi iba natatawa rin sa ginagawa ko na parang ako.
May mga ganun kasi yung mga tropang yung nagsiseryoso kayo tapos biglang papatawanin kayo, wala na, tapos kayo papapagalitan.
Pero ang pinaka the best doon, after nun, wala nang hiya.
Master mo na.
I mean, walang hiya sa sa mga ganong eksena.
Okay.
Hindi na master, not totally master. Pero parang lang.
So blessing in disguise kahit pa paano, ganyan.
Na-break yung ice.
Ganun.
Parang wala na talaga eh. Ikaw, what was your moments?
Actually, in terms of episodes, no shoot yet. But akala ko nasabi ko. pero
Yung
pero last year, we've had like look test. Siguro one moment na pwede kong sabihin is yung isang shoot, yung preview ng character ko. Ginawa ko siyang parang in my mind, sabi ko, okay, medyo baguhan ako dito. Kasi andun din yung kasabay ko din si Sir Jocko Diaz. Di ba, sobrang veteran na artista. Sabi ko, I'm just gonna take this as a learning opportunity. Tapos, habang dinedirect ako sa gagawin ko, tinawag ko si Direk. Direk, ganito. Direk. Tapos sabi ko, sige coach. Tapos lahat tumawa kasi hindi ko namalayan sinabi ko coach.
Direct.
Pero direct wala. Pero madalas akong, kasi siyempre galing kami sa
Yeah.
environment na maraming coaches. So,
Yeah.
Yun, isang moment na pwede kang share.
Kala ko hindi mo sige pre.
Grabe naman yun.
Yes, boss. Bossing.
Sobrang comfortable.
Parang bang kapitbahay mo lang no? Sige, we have a question from Viber from Keisha, and she's asking, question ulit to baka sabihin nyo, sinabi ko na naman. Ano daw yung pinaka-favorite nyong gig or project so far ever since you guys released Destino?
Ay, Destino.
Destino.
So from there, from Salamat, right?
Yeah, or kayong three as individuals.
Parang di pa nalalabas.
Actually, wala pa kasi masyado eh.
So may dito kasi narinig ko yun.
Kasi
Hindi
wala pa kasi masyadong mag-start pa lang kami ng tour ng ng Destino.
Okay. So you guys can't reveal too much.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Pero the best yun lahat kasi like na-perform namin yung mga songs,
Yeah.
kahit saan. And na-tour na din namin kahit papano. Diba? Like Sinulog.
First natin yun this year, no?
Yeah.
the festival, no?
First.
Kasi maraming random peeps dun, diba? No? Parang, sino to mga to? And
Yeah. That was a fun experience.
Okay. Oh, so for those who are tuned in, there is something. It's just you guys can't reveal it yet. So they have to stay tuned for it. Yes. Okay. Okay. Speaking of new music, your songs Luz Viminda and Yugto are part of Helio OST. The upcoming movie of Kim Molina and Gerald Napoles, movie Wonderful Nightmare, yung songs nyo, yung sa Panigip na lang, sa'yo pa rin uwi, right? Are part of it. I want to know, how does it feel like to have multiple songs on like different series, movies as OSTs, like the official soundtrack? Like, has it been like something that you guys envisioned since 2021 na magiging part siya ng ganun, or what was it like? Sige, Mo.
Honest reaction nung nalaman ko na kasama yung mga songs namin sa mga series and yun kay Miss Kim and Sir Gerald, nabigla, parang pag ikaw kasi na sitwasyon, parang, uy, kasama yung kanta namin, no? Parang nakakatawa, ganun, and nakakataba ng puso. Siguro may parts na naiisip namin na nung early days ng Alamat na, in the future, yung mga songs natin pwede sa mga movies, series, ganun. Pero, ayun, hindi namin expect na, parang siya parang binigay lang siya ng itaas na, okay, ito na, parang walang sabi-sabi, tapos, ito na yung song nyo, ginamit na. And yun, sobrang thankful kami. And masaya. Sarap sa puso.
That's nice. Yeah, kayo naman, like same vibes, same
yung
feelings.
ba, sa'yo pa rin uwi, di ba, kasama? Actually, ako kasi nag-arrange nun. So,
Wow!
bukod sa pagiging alamat namin, proud kami doon. And sa pagiging producer ko naman, syempre, maririnig mo yung di ba? Like, pinili siya para sa isang song. So, mga ganun. And of course, Luz Biminda sa sa Helio. And kasama pa ako doon.
Yes!
Mga ganun. So, nakakatuwa siya kasi nagtitiwala yung mga tao sa craft.
Oh, yeah. And a lot of people here have been saying, here's to more ganaps with Alamat. And they are also saying happy anniversary. Which I asked na, kailan ba talaga anniversary niyo? Which is this Saturday.
Yeah.
This Saturday. And
Saturday.
somebody asked here on Viber, baybayin ba is the term, or
Yeah.
baybayin, di ba? Nakabaybayin. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na pwede pala baybayin sa Viber. So I can't read it right now, but whoever is baybayin girl, she's asking if you guys have any plans for your anniversary event and plans for the Destino concert daw.
Actually, meron. But in regards to the details, we can't really say it.
Yeah.
Pero, yun nga, unfortunately, due to unseen circumstances in terms sa schedule namin, medyo malabong magkaroon sa day mismo.
Oh,
Pero,
but
we have-
there is something.
But there is something that
Okay.
we plan for para sa mga video namin.
Okay, I like these guys. Like, you guys have so much secrets na preparing. So, if I were part of your fans, mabubusog ako sa
Secret.
puro teaser. Speaking of fans, for all the fans out there, and if you guys are non-fans na rin, come along. This is the game now. All you have to do is chat on Viber. That is 0945-971-4011. An answer to my question. And my question is, what is the name of the fan base of Alamat? So I'll get 5 winners only, and you guys will get a t-shirt from the merch of Alamat. Okay? Let's get that out of there. You guys, we've been talking about P-pop, and then introduce natin yung side hustle, sideline work nyo, which is outside of P-pop, acting. And did you guys ever imagine, like, ever in your life since 2021, pagpasok nyo as Alamat, and then biglang you'd be like, oh, I'm an actor for this series, for this show, ganyan. How do you feel about it? Was it really something that you guys had in mind? Alas?
Wala talaga. Kasi nung pumasok ako, gusto lang music, ganun. Tapos nung pagpasok ko talaga, like nadagdagan pa yung knowledge ko sa music na mas lalong nagustuhan ko siya. And sa acting naman, dati hindi ko tinisip kasi parang hirap na mag-acting. Diba pag ako nag-acting, try ko dati na ako lang mag-isa, parang weird, ganun. So ngayon na nabigyan ng opportunity, syempre, parang subukan na natin. Sayang naman kasi marami din namang ibang tao na gusto yung position na sa'yo. So, ayun, strike na natin yung mga ganun.
Okay. Sige.
Baka kasi kung sa una lang naman yan, medyo pangit, weird. Diba? Sa una lang, pero nandyan naman yung word na learning eh. So,
So you won't know unless you try.
Oo, ganun.
You won't know unless you try. How about you, Mo?
Nung una, wala din. Sobrang kasi sa music eh. Gusto ko music talaga.
But you've mentioned kanina you were performing in high school.
Yeah. Theater, ganun. Nag-play ako ng Les Miserables, mga ganun. Nag-flex no?
Sino ka doon? Sino ang character mo sa Les Miserables?
Les Miserables, Marius, Beauty and the Beast,
Wow!
Miss Saigon,
Wait, the Beast.
Chris.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Are you a theater kid talaga or like...
Na-scout lang ako eh. Outside school siya. Narinig niya lang ako manta dun sa dating bar ng mom ko. Tapos, kinuha niya ako. Sabi niya, tara, ka dito? Sabi ko, paano po bang gagawin dito? Tapos, tinuro niya sa akin, ito gagawin mo. Binigyan niya ako script, ganun. Tapos, ayun na. And after nun, dun ako since na-expose ako sa theater and sa iba't ibang type of music, doon na ako nag-start na gumawa ng mga songs, ganun, pagsulat. And hindi ko naman naisip na mag-acting ako. Though, nung maliit ako, as in maliit pa, parang pag mag-isa ako sa bahay,
nag-acting.
nagda-WW ako. Hindi ako mag-isa.
Tapos, hindi naman acting ang wrestling.
Ay, totoo yun. Totoo yun.
Anong
acting yun?
Hindi pala yun?
Nung nabuhay nga ulit si Undertaker, sabi ko, grabe, ang galing.
Nagulat din ako.
Nagulat diba? Nung pakita siya kay The Rock nun. Yung sa recent na...
Tapos si John Cena, di mo talaga makita.
Nagugulat na sumusulpot na lang siya, diba? Mga wrestling fans din pala. So guys, PSA, WWE is very, very real. How about you, Tanel? Like, did you ever like see yourself like acting, gano'n?
Wrestling daw.
Sa wrestling sa WWE.
Pwede ba i-mention? Then, pero initially, in regards to entering showbiz, it was acting talaga initially. Pero yun, I have both side. I love music and I love acting as well. And I was fortunate enough to have both sides. So parang I entered showbiz through Alamat and I was very fortunate and it's like a huge blessing. Tapos yung first acting ko 2022, it was by Direct Jason Paul. Siya rin yung director ng Alamat. So very blessed ako and very thankful na nagkaroon ng opportunity to act there along with RG din. Wala siya dito pero kasama mo sa Mafia. Yeah, so from then on, so may mga yung supporting roles lang.
Yeah.
Akala ko sinabi ko.
Malapit ka
Okay. Mag-English na nga lang ako. But yeah, like even though you get a few lines, I was very thankful because I was just there for the learning experience. I was learning from the people around me. At yun, etong and then eto na nga going into ang mutya ng Section E with this role, sobrang thankful din ako kasi I finally can how do you say it? parang,
Wow, how can you say it? Grabe, kaba nung ano ah.
parang ano, I finally can...
ano daw, parang ano.
Okay.
Okay, at least freedom. Free na tayo. free
TikTok
na tayo.
challenge na mamaya. Sige. No, I
sige.
have something mamaya. Sige.
Ayun, free na tayo para magtagalog. Ayun, parang kasi with this role medyo iba siya sa other roles na I got. Medyo mas I'm a villain in this role. So medyo it's a side of me na I get to explore and I really love exploring different parts of
May ano ka na pagka bad boy ka na ganyan.
yeah, this one is kind of ano though. Yakuza leader na siya. Tapos
Okay.
yung mga crimes niya, sobrang lala, sabi ko. Parang hindi ko yan ginawa, pero kunwari ginawa ko.
That's what acting's all about.
Yes.
Okay, since you mentioned your roles, I want to know yung mga dream roles ninyo. Since nandito naman na kayo, like, eventually, tutuloy-tuloy na yan, what is the dream role that you guys want to do? Like, gusto mo maging, ano tawag doon? Presidente or something? Sa isang ano? Pusa. Sige, Alas, ikaw, anong dream role mo to act?
Sa ngayon, ito yung sa role ko ngayon sa Helio, yung gusto ko eh. Like, kontrabida eh. And at the same time, ano kasi ako dito, martial artist eh. So, galing
So
ako
it's
sa-
true to what you really do na rin. Ganun.
So, baga, nagiging kahit papano, basic siya sa akin. Hindi ba basic, like, nagagamay ko siya kasi ako na to eh. Yung role na to eh, di ba? Ganun. Dadagdagan mo na lang ng pang-screen. Ganun.
Yeah.
Yun, ganun.
Ikaw mo.
Ako, dati pa, niisip ko, gusto ko maging, alam mo yun, umakak ng baril, yung mga ganun sa movie. Action talaga. So, ngayon,
So ano ka?
napunta naman ako doon.
Si FPJ, ganun.
Malaga nun. Gusto ko action talaga. And mga driving movie, mga nagkokotse. Ganun.
What's your favorite? Yeah, have you guys seen the F1 movie?
I've seen it.
It's really
I
good.
like it.
It's it was directed by the same person who directed ano yung kay Tom Hanks yung nasa air ano siya?
Ano?
Okay.
Top Gun.
Ayun yun. Ay,
Ganda.
same director.
Yeah. Kaya ganun yung visuals, di ba?
Yeah.
Wow. So, wala lang. Like, I was gonna ask you nga, like, have you seen F1?
Parang hindi ko pa naman.
You should see it. It's nice.
If you're into racing movies, pero ayaw mo yung sobrang seryoso, yung gusto mo goofy, Speed Racer. I don't know.
Speed Racer.
Oh, it's a really long film, pero it's goofy.
May isa din, Lightning McQueen.
Ayun din, Cars. Actually, Cars.
Cars.
Huwag na tayo lumayo. Cars. Oo, maganda.
Pasado na ba yun?
Pasado na yun. Pasado yun. Ikaw, Taneo, what is your dream role?
Dream role ko talaga, I grew up watching kasi a lot of mga teen series from my from my sister or my mom or K-drama, so rom-com, yun yung top 1 ko.
Tapos,
rom-com.
ikaw ba yung lead or ikaw yung boy best friend?
Actually, yun nga eh. I actually can envision myself as parang yung I like underdog. Like the second
Yeah, the
guy.
second
yeah, I like that.
Yung the second option lang. Ganun.
Yeah, ganun. Pero I also the lead. Tapos yung top 2 ko din is action.
Okay.
Mala I would say
James Bond.
Pwede din.
John Cena.
Pwede din.
Wala na pre.
WWE.
Ay, hindi. Si ano daw?
Jason Statham.
Si The Rock daw.
Si The Rock siya, oo.
Then, hindi ako ganun.
Keanu Reeves.
Konting patak pa.
Ganun.
Oh, John Wick, ganyan. So, classy action na.
Yeah, kasi I grew up watching and I was really a fan of like superheroes.
Yeah.
So like DC, Marvel, and I like characters na wala silang powers pero
So, you're a huge Batman, Iron Man fan.
Batman, Iron Man,
Okay.
Captain America. Well, may power si Captain America pero mas parang tao siya.
Oh, ang power niya, pera eh. Madami silang pera eh. Actually, yun din yung gusto kong power eh. Marami akong pera eh. But yeah, okay, for now, this ends now the magic word. I mean, kanina pa kasi nasabi na namin lahat. So, we'll see what we'll do. Maybe on TikTok, you guys will see it. And now is the time for you guys to promote anything that you guys want, the shows you're part of, anything Alamat related. The floor is yours.
Go.
Alright guys, what's up? We will be having a mall show on Pampanga Marquee Mall on 15 this Sunday. So abangan namin kayo mga magiliw. At syempre, abangan nyo kami sa mga updates namin sa mga social medias namin. Just follow us on Alamat Official or type our name followed by alamat.ourname. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Stream our music.
Stream nyo yung album namin, Destino. And kung gusto nyo rin ibalikan yung mga fast song namin, nandun lang yan sa Spotify.
Yes.
Sa lahat ng music,
Yeah.
digital music streaming platforms.
Yes.
And of course, yung mga kanya-kanyang acting gig namin.
Yeah. Just stay
Helyu,
updated.
support nyo kami ni Jao, nandun kami sa Helyu.
Yes.
And si Tomas sa Bagets, so
Yes.
support mo siya. Taneo din sa
Yes, and
Coming.
my husband is a mafia boss.
Yeah.
Upcoming there. So yun na, guys.
Yeah, kami ni RG sa my husband is a mafia boss, and si Alas and Jao sa Helyu, and Taneo for Amse, and Tomas for Bagets. And yun guys, kung gusto nyo pa na maraming updates, yun nga, sinabihan nila yung socials namin, alamat.official and alamat.ourname.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, that's it. Well, we're done. We'll do the dares. And for those who won over on Viber, yung mga maaga na nag-send, please wag nyo nang tabunan kasi I'm counting only the first 5. The answer is Magiliw. And one last, why is it Magiliw? And para ma-shoutout nyo na rin yung fans nyo. Like a special message since anniversary nyo na pala this Saturday.
So yeah, bakit Magiliw? Galing siya sa sa national anthem ng Philippines na Lupang Hinirang. And dun sa unang lines dun, sabi Bayang Magiliw. And dun yun. Kasi pag sinabing Magiliw, affectionate and mapagmahal, yun. So yung mga Magiliw namin ay ganun.
Yes.
Solid. Well, thank you so much, guys. Hopefully, the next time you guys come back, complete na kayo.
Yeah.
All of you guys. Feel ko mas magulo, pero mas masaya naman. And yun lang. Yeah, that's it for the Magic Hangout with you guys. Was Mo, Alas, and Taneo. And you know what? I am ending this interview with your song as well. You know, Luz Viminda. I love it. It's a banger. Yeah. Hindi sila sasayaw dito.
Yeah.
Hopefully they would. Magic 89.9. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Magic 89.9.